audience. How you doing? Hanging around my nicely new cleaned room in all darkness and redness and whiteness. I recorded a vlog on New Year's, but it had no sound. Like, what the hell? Anyway, Happy New Year, even though it's a couple of days late. New background thing. Map. It's a map, which you can check out on DeviantArt, my DeviantArt, which is Khangas at DeviantArt. That painting is still there, but there's no longer a calendar underneath it. I've just like chucked stuff out of all these cupboards. It's now cleanish. It's like, hello. There was stuff up there. So, Xbox hidden. It's not really what to don't look at that. I've been working on this map thing, so I have a bunch of that up here, which is most of the stuff I'm taking the new cuts off. A bunch of stuff there. So you don't really see it in any of the other videos, but I have a freaking massive collection of Pokemon, and quite cool down here. I was like putting them to get all the barnacles together and in their cases for hours this morning. Let's take a walk. So I've been working on this story sort of basis for it, I guess. Sort of like Lord of the Rings. You're just building from the ground up sort of thing. So like all the different racers and people and maps and stuff and cards here, and it takes so long. I found some old books, like going through all that stuff in my cupboards. So Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, even though it's late. I'm heading to Newcastle like in a month, and I've never seen the place that I'm staying. I have no idea how I'm getting anywhere. Really? Darkness, probably a bit, maybe. I have no idea what I'm talking about this from. No one watched my last video. I'm like, what the heck? I've only had 100 views for like a month and a bit. I hope this records sounds. If it doesn't record sound, I'm going to be annoyed. I have the full version of Minecraft now, which is awesome in a way that I just have all the mods that I had before, so it isn't really any different. Textures and pens and stuff, which I'm getting rid of. What else? I've also got this new game on my Xbox, turn-based strategy thing, whatever you want to call it. What did you get for Christmas? Put it in the comments. I got nothing, pretty much. I got 3 things. A shirt. No, 4 things. A shirt, a frying pan, a book, and $100. It's like, don't give me stuff that I'm probably not going to use. Just give me, like, money. That works. That's what my pop does. It's like, I have no idea what fang dangled contraption you want, so I'm going to give you $100 to buy whatever map, locations, putting them on there takes so long. And thinking up original names is hard. What have I talked about this vlog? Nothing except that. And the fact that it's Christmas. I probably haven't even talked to it if there's no sound, which I'm going to be so annoyed. And then I'm going to have to use my camera, which is in there somewhere. What else can I say? Nothing, really. I can never say anything. Anyway, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and peace out!